Advisor, but
Good
just
morning,
the
Sean.
gentleman wearing a visor. Yeah, it's time to hustle. It's just so simple, I'ma solve this puzzle. And if you didn't know that you're feeling puzzled, it's TA, baby. Come on right over. Got one job, I got 1, 2, 3. I'll take 4 more just for me. I'm buying crypto, I'm dollar cost averaging, don't you know? You buy the dip, you have a sip, take a rip. Call me captain of this shit. I don't give a fuck, my name is Skip. XRP.
Good morning. Sorry about that. It was clearing my throat. Went down the wrong pipe before this. You have to hear me coughing. Thank God that wasn't on there. Good morning. Got the coffee down the wrong pipe. This is Wall Street Pete, Sickdo in Crypto, where we go live every day. The gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange every day. Worked on Wall Street. We come crypto to you, crypto news. Hope you have a wonderful day. It is Thursday. Well, let's get it into it. I must do a short video because I have to take care of something immediately. So this is going to be a very short video. I appreciate the likes, appreciate the subscribe. Here we go right into it. Well, first off, I want to talk about Shiba Inu. It seems like the whales, Shiba Inu, they are getting a little bit more into this dip. 386 billion Shiba Inu despite bear market. One of the big whales, there were two that were taking turns buying apparently. 2,862,500,000, 2 million, excuse me, 862 in dollars, 250 billion Shiba Inu. Pretty crazy. I couldn't imagine going through this and knowing what this is like with the high volatile waves, right? And good morning again, Sean, to you. Hit the like and subscribe. We got an early bird in the house. And then we had another one, Whale Stats. Blue Whales 0159 just bought 120 of it. So this is kind of crazy. Can't believe what's going on. We're in a downtrend. We're in a bear market. And all of a sudden, if you watched my video yesterday, we talked about a liquidation. Pretty much said there was a short squeeze coming. This is what the short squeeze is. Over 202 million in short. Bitcoin Ethereum positions liquidated amid bullish move. Thought this was pretty interesting because this is exactly what I was talking about in yesterday's video. There was a lot of Ethereum that got liquidated. This is why you got to be careful shorting the position. Phil, we were talking live, and he was saying he wanted to short, and I said, be very careful. Obviously, the only next short position would be 24,000. Currently, right now, coming to the downside on Bitcoin just a little bit, but I do believe we're getting ready to tick off again within the next 24 hours. I believe we're getting ready to go with the shoulder here. So wouldn't be surprised. This was the shoulder I was talking about once we got to here. And we're going to see something similar maybe. But right now, 24,000, that's what I'm paying attention to right here. If you're going to take a long position to the 24.3, then go for it. Not financial advice, but just a gentleman twice as nice. Pay attention to what's happening. Would expect perhaps here, if we did break out, I would expect a 26,000. Good morning, Gary. We're just talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Giving a quick update on the news. Yes, I am revealing what does Wall Street P use to trade on leverage. He says he trades on leverage. Please be very careful. Been trading with this for over a year on leverage. Have had some good times. Have had some bad times. I mean, that's the part of trading on leverage. If you're interested in this, you go to Bitforex. If you're in the U.S., it's a great one. Then once you put your crypto in here and you have a trade, you can go to your spot account and then you could learn how to trade on leverage, what you want, and these are the options. You could buy Omni through here if you'd like. This is not the futures trading. You would then go into the futures option, go in there and trade. It's pretty scary. Margins, everything you need to know. NFTs, you can see this is where you need to go. So check it out. You can even fool around probably in the view demo mode. So please be very careful, but I do suggest if you are in the U.S. To use the Bitforex. So I did finally reveal, if you saw Holy Crypto short squeeze is coming, I told you 16 hours ago. What happened? Well, that's exactly what happened. So you hit the like and subscribe, hit the bell, hit the all notification right here, all bell, and then when we go live, you get this stuff immediately. Crypto market cap, 1.05 trillion market cap, back above the 1 trillion now, 1.06, 1.07. That's what I look to see. What is that? Well, that takes us back all the way to the tops. When we're hitting resistance each time, we're about 107. I'm waiting to crack the 107. Waiting to see 110 trillion market cap. When that happens, I do believe that's when we're going to start breaking that 24,000. So pay attention to 1.1. I'm going to get excited. Yes, the market cap has a lot to do with this. The money is not trusted yet. So what's going on here? Do expect a little loop. Let's go do some indicators. Let's have some fun before we go. I'm going to tell you where I believe Ethereum is going to go before we top out there. I believe 26,000 can happen on Bitcoin. Here's the volume, obviously coming in yesterday big time. And relative strength index, where are we on there? Pretty high, getting a little bit of a rejection here. Could come down a little bit more and then retest. So right here under the 70 mark, trading a little bit at the 67. So I'm waiting to get to about the 44. So we get to about the 44, we'll be looking good. If not, 52 is even where I'm looking to go and hopefully get this bounce. So we'll see what happens. Within the next 24 hours, I expect something to come through. We could come down right here if you see the bottom limp and test the 21.9. That's okay. We can test the 21.9 before getting one last lift off. So pay attention to this line right here. Put a little circle for you. Somewhere around there, the 21.9, 22,000, we could come back, test, and then get that up. Would be a short-term W, but I would like it because it would help us out. So see if that is what we're getting. Going to Ethereum now really, really quick. I just wanted to do a very quick video this morning. If you see here what's happening, and this is my bullish momentum, I'm finding that we were making resistance. We're having a lot of hard time here. We were having a lot of hard times here. Resistance all the way through July. If you see 23rd, all the way in for days, right? 2-3 days. Big resistance, did it again in July 20th and then touched it just to let us know we're coming in the 19th, and then eventually that was our problem. Well, now what's happening is we got a huge rejection point, came all the way down to the Fibonacci sequence of about the 50%, 38.2. Is that what we got, or did we get the... See, I thought we would maybe get the 50%. We got the 38.2. Not a problem, still bullish. What I see here now is we're building support above the 1613 price. Building support for Ethereum. I'm going to test the last move here, and the last move we had was this date of July 12th, and it ended the 20th, and then we got rejected, as you can see here, about 8 days ago. So if you see here, this move, if this repeats what I believe is going to happen, and the support that we built, I believe we're going to find ourselves right about this price for Ethereum, and that's roughly 2,000. So Ethereum, I'm expected to take an Ethereum long position, speaking of BitForex, to 2,000, and it sounds a lot less, but this is what's happening. Maybe we're flipping. Who the hell knows? I don't really care for flipping. I'm just paying attention to my money. I believe that I could take this position, this white line, if you want, all the way to 24,269. I'm going to go. That's when I would stop, take my profits on my leverage position, and not financial advice, but Wall Street Pete, just a gentleman twice as nice. Bitcoin news, crypto news for you. Giving just a quick update. So have a wonderful day. Wall Street Pete, Signo at crypto, and please do not be one of those. We don't want to see that we had a 500 million in short Bitcoin tomorrow morning. That would be crazy if that was the news. Can happen. Just letting you know it can happen. A few things to catch up on. Wall Street Pete, 100% facts. The older you get, the more quiet you become. Life humbles you so deeply as you age. You realize how much nonsense you've wasted time on. Very true. Very, very true. Just a few charts. One of the big charts here that I like to go over. And please hit the heart, hit the like, and subscribe. It's very important for every video. If you're not doing so, you're hurting this whole chat. You're hurting the whole community. Not my chart, as I said yesterday, but the 200 weekly moving average coming in through to all-time from 2013, 2011. Each time we touch this, we've had a nice bull run start back up. Don't believe that right now that trend is going to change. If you see 2019 touched, boom, started back, went to all-time highs. 2015, same thing. So now here we are stuck July 1st, 2022. We got this horrible move down to the downside, 200 weekly moving average. I believe we get this bounce. I do love this chart. Very, very nice. It's a monthly. Each month shows. Look how long back we go to the history. Very, very, very important. So pay attention to that. We're not going to be able to do any other technical analysis this morning, but we will come back to you live very shortly, I'm sure, with some news. So hopefully we see, I hope to break 24,000. I don't think it's going to happen. I'm sure that that's going to be our resistance for a little bit, back and forth in that range. We'll see what happens. It's up to the whales. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit the like, you hit the subscribe, you hit the bell, you hit the all notifications. So when we do go live, you get this stuff immediately. If you see the people in the super chat, they're ready to rock and roll. Buy the dip, have a sip.